What's going on, everybody? This is the new studio that I am trying to build out in my garage for the Model Cars Houston YouTube channel. But in this video, what we've got to do is we've got to unbox the Malaysia Diecast Expo lucky draw that you were only able to get from the Diecast show in Malaysia. So finally able to find some time to break this down. Let's open it up and see which one I got. Okay, so with the INNO64 lucky draw, there are 3 possible combinations. You've got the FD3S RX-7, you've got the GTR, and you've got an R34. Some of the other background information about this lucky draw is that it was only done overseas in Malaysia at the show, during the show. There are only about 48 pieces of each car out there. If you want to talk about something rare that you're trying to get from INNO64, this is probably it right here. Now, you have no idea what is in here. It's actually a surprise. First, let's take a look at the box art. As you can see, the box art here. As you can see right here, this is the event gift special, sealed, enclosed. There's no way to know what is inside this thing. You've even got the Malaysia Diecast Expo logo on there, signifying that this is super exclusive. Let's start undoing the taping and take it out and see what we've got. This is actually going to be a big surprise and unveiling. Ooh, man, I wonder. I kind of want the RX-7. I don't know why, but I kind of do want the RX-7, but we are going to find out what this is. Let me know down in the comments if any of you guys were able to get this, because it being so freaking rare, only so many people have it. Okay, so we don't know what it is yet, but here, you guys can look at it first. What is it? Is it what I hoped for? Now let me take a look. Oh my God, it is. Oh, it is the RX-7. This is actually the one that I wanted. I don't know why, but the RX-7 just looks super exotic, and to be able to have it in this setup is actually a pretty cool deal. Oh man, this is awesome. This is it. Wow. Take a look at the box art here. It's got that Malaysia Diecast Expo stuff going on. For the car itself, you can see that it is in this rainbow chrome finish. Even the packaging, the base, and the car itself has it as well. But I can also take it out of here for you guys, just so you can get a closer look. It almost looks like it's a chase car. Some of the fender flares and spoiler and mirrors are still the matte black color, but this thing looks freaking crazy. Look at that base. That's actually pretty neat. But super excited that I was able to get one of these, and this one will actually probably stay in my collection just because I was hand given to this from Francisco himself, and super appreciative for all that Inno does for Model Cars Houston, and I am super excited that I was able to share this unboxing with you guys. All right guys, there you have it. There's the RX-7, and one of the things that I would like to ask you guys in the comments is if you have any ideas for what I should do in the garage for the studio, please let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.